And welcome back everybody to this week's vlog. This week we are at what I believe is Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort. I actually just got here and I honestly did not realize how much construction is going on at this resort right now. So this is actually going to probably be a lot shorter of a vlog than I actually expected it to be. But anyways, welcome back all my subscribers, all you new watchers. My name is Jason. I do weekly vlogs here at Disney and other places around the Orlando and Florida area. I will show you as much of this resort as I possibly can. Like I said, there's actually not a whole lot that I can show you. I thought there was actually going to be more, so bear with me. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I'll show you as much as I possibly can. Let's go take a look at the resort.
When can we do this again? I never want this to end.
Alright, so one of the biggest things that's going on right now is they actually completely demolished an entire section here at the Caribbean Beach Resort, and they are building Disney's Riviera Resort. This thing is enormous. Take a look and see how big this thing is, guys. Alright, so from what I've gathered over reading stuff online is this is going to be kind of the main entrance lobby area. I do know, I'm not sure if it's that right over there or if it is this over here. I believe it's this over here is where the gondola station is going to be at that resort, where it'll connect here at the Caribbean Beach Resort, which is pretty cool. So I had planned on showing you guys the old Port Royal, which is kind of like the main building, the lobby area, only it's not here. That is, they are literally rebuilding the entire thing. So that I can't show you, but I will try and find some other stuff over here to try and show you guys. Check this out. That is the old Port Royal building. So they it's completely closed. You can't even get in there. It's being completely redone. So very curious to see what exactly that's going to be when it's done. So I am literally at a wall. This is as close to the old Port Royal building as you could get, the former lobby restaurant area. So this is kind of what's all going on over here. Lots of construction. Looks like they are actually redoing the marina as well. So the Caribbean Beach has always been notorious for having one of the coolest pools on property. It's all pirate themed, pirate ships, forts, whatnot. And as you can see from the video, that actually hasn't been touched that much, but there is a lot of construction that is going on behind the pool. You can see it, hear it all day long. Okay, so the entire lobby area has basically been spread out into a tent which serves food in buffet style. They do have the bar, I guess you could call it. It's like a little pull-up stand bar, and they have a little trailer with the souvenirs, which I guess is supposed to be the temporary souvenir shop. Check out the following clips real quick, and this is what the temporary lobby main area is at the Caribbean Beach Resort right now.
know, you would think that at the little seats, you know.
You can really see the Disney Skyliner pretty good from here. As you can see, it's not over here, but you see it comes through here, connects right there, right over to there, and from there heads over to the Disney Riviera Resort. So it is extremely visible at this resort, which personally I like. Alright, so I stayed here, I don't know, it was like the year it opened, year or two after it opened, I can't remember, with my family, and only thing I can remember is how big this resort was at the time. At the time, it was like the biggest resort in the state of Florida. And so this is the first time I've been back since then, and this place is huge. I'm like sweating like crazy right now. It's also like 95, but still, this place is enormous. And they don't have the full resort still. They tore a quarter of the resort down to build a Riviera Resort. So if you do stay here, do know this place is huge. It does have an internal bus, so that's kind of nice, but yeah, this place is big. So one thing I did discover, each section, it is divided into different sections, different islands, whatnot, that they do have like little quiet pools, private pools at each section. Take a look. That's kind of nice to have, because that main pool was extremely loud with, no offense, screaming kids and very loud kids. So if you want a little quieter something, take a look. These are the little quieter private pools. Right now I am on a pedestrian bridge, which I'm not really sure where it's taking me. But I saw a Skyliner, so I wanted to go check out the Skyliners. So if you follow any of these new Disney Skyliner news, updates, whatever, you'll know that the Caribbean Beach Resort actually is going to be kind of the headquarters, the main hub for the Skyliner. And I just found the Skyliner building for the Caribbean Beach Resort, and this thing is huge. Hold on one second, I'll show you guys the Skyliner headquarters. Take a look. Alright, I'm not sure if you guys can fully see how big this really is, but this is going to be the main focal point for the Skyliner, the headquarters of sorts. You can see it takes off down that way towards Hollywood Studios, goes that way, which I believe, I have no idea where that's going. Or maybe that goes to Epcot. I don't know. Anyway, it heads out that way, and it heads that way, and it will also head that way. So if you're wondering, Skyliner, anywhere you have to go, you will be coming here eventually at some point. It is kind of like the so-called transportation ticket center, I guess, for the Skyliner, you could call it. It's pretty big. Definitely interested to see how it operates and works. Can't wait for that to open. So definitely waiting to check that out when it opens. So one nice thing they did add during this whole retheming of the resort is they added a quick service, grab and go type of little food service out at the end of Trinidad. It's called Spyglass. Check it out, it's pretty cool. It has a very good menu. So I'm just gonna take a quick walk through of Jamaica, which to me looks kind of like the nicest section, I guess you could say. Take a quick tour of this, wrap this video up. Hope you guys are enjoying it. Alright, so now that I have a visual, so I was standing right here. So when I was pointing, that was going to Hollywood Studios. The one going to the left was the Pop Century. Okay, that makes a lot more sense. And then over to the Riviera Resort. From the Riviera that goes to Epcot. So to end that confusion on my thoughts, there is the corrected route for the Skyliner. So that wraps up this week's vlog from the Caribbean Beach Resort. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like I said, there is not a lot going on at this resort right now. It is about 2/3 closed and blocked off, so there's not a whole lot that I could actually get around to show you guys. I showed you everything I was literally able and allowed to show you. There is a lot of construction going on at this resort right now, so if you are thinking of staying here, make sure to check updates because there is a lot of construction going on. I will do an updated video probably in the next month or two, just so you guys can see what exactly is all going on here. To all my subscribers, thank you guys for watching every week. If you're not following, hit subscribe and thumbs up. My vlogs are every Friday at noon, so make sure to check them out. Hit share, subscribe, all that good jazz. And I will see you guys probably next Friday at noon. Hopefully from maybe a theme park, another resort, who knows. Anyway, from Disney's Caribbean Beach Resort, Jason, I'm out.
When can we